Alright, today we're going to replace the radiator. Yep. This big fucker right here. It's coming out. Alright, so first thing we got to do is drain this radiator and capture all the fluid. It looks like there's a little spout right there. So I'm going to get a piece of this tubing on there and drain it down to where it needs to go. Yeah, that's it. So while I'm doing this, I'm also going to change out the thermostat, which is on the lower hose. The housing's right there. That's that bolt. And you got another one just right up top there. It's a 5/16. It's got a little filler on there. That's a... We'll break that loose. Okay. We'll drain this hose down and replace that thermostat. I'll get back to you. Okay, so after you get those bolts undone, you're going to pop out, you're going to get wet. There's a bunch of radiator fluid that'll come out of there. There's a thermostat. That's what I'm going to replace. You pry it out of there with a flathead screwdriver, looks like. I'll get back to you. There's quite a bit more fluid still in there. Watch, get your screwdriver in the middle of that. Pry on it. It'll let out more fluid. Okay, we got the thermostat back in there. Use the gasket sealant. Then I follow this hose up to right there, the bottom of the radiator, and I undid that with the hose clamp right there to the left. Get that loose. Now we're gonna start unbolting the fan shroud. Stand by now. Number 10 for the fan bolts. Okay, so luckily it was this one bolt here, same one was right there. And then these little tabs down low just kind of seem to hold it, so then you just kind of work the whole thing up. Oh, look at that, it just jumps right off of there. That is wonderful. Good job on that one. Dodge or somebody, I think, maybe. Alright, I think we're good. That was pretty painless, really. Okay, now I'm going to try to find a way to loosen up the radiator and get it the hell out of here. It looks like you got a bolt right here, which I'm going to get from here. Same thing over here. That one up top. We'll start there, see where that gets me. See where we're at. It's pretty loose. Looks like a couple things we're going to want to undo here. Probably going to undo one here and those ones. Let's pull the other radiator out of the box, see what's happening there. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna have to take all that front stuff off of there. Looks like we're almost there. Yep. Same thing over here. That one's gonna be tough. Okay. Well, I'm gonna set you away for a second while I figure out how to get in there. So on this one, once your radiator's loose, you can just kind of move it back, pull it up and back, wedge your wrench in there. Just kind of go for it, wiggle it, whatever. Move to the next one. Okay, all this is loose. Now I see 1, 2. That'll leave these lines. I think we can pull the whole thing. See what happens. Yeah, that one was a little bit of a pain in the ass. Not bad though. Keep that nut. You're gonna need it. Alright, we're gonna go do the same thing over here. Alright, I think this is it. Wish me luck. Okay, we're out. Well, this is unexpected, but my existing bolts didn't fit in those new sliders, so I'm gonna have to take them off. Grab the ones from here. I have to keep that too. Alright, let's go over here, change all these out so the bolts fucking fit. Fucking bitch. Working with one hand's a fucking nightmare. It's hard enough for me to work with both hands, let alone deal with this bullshit. That one's about to break. Put him off to the side. Get this little fucker in here. You know what's worse than being...
Okay, so that's gonna walk with me, so I brought her home.
Oh, is that what happened? Here we go. We're in. It worked. Uh-oh. Oh, God. I'm gonna get that one over there, and Everything seems to be lining up. All right, we got that one set. That bolt there. Make sure you route your tubings in those little fingers back there. Hard to show, maybe here. Those little guides right there help out. All right, now I'm gonna set this one just to make sure we're all lined up. Oh yeah, there it goes. Boom. Use the wrench to cinch that area up. That'll be good. This one lines up. I got 2 more screws. They go here. Remember, this is the first ones we took off on this housing. I'll put those in a minute. Yeah, this one turned out to be a nightmare right here. I had to change that one also. One of those is too fucking big, and that was difficult. So remember, change all those before you even drop the radiator in. All right, I'm gonna try to put this together. All right, it worked. Yep, we're fucking getting there. Let's go over here. Probably have to. Yep, that one looks like a little easier access. Gonna take that one off too. Have to change it. Alright, I got that one in. This one seems like I'm having to go.